How to edit and design Wix blog page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up and edit and design your Wix blog page. Even if you are brand new to Wix, don't worry, I will explain each and every step. So first thing first, what you have to do is just simply log in into your wix.com and then choose your website. Now right now I am in the Wix studio. You don't need to sign up with the Wix Studio. You can have a standard Wix as well. Now what you have to do, just simply click on the select side. Now it will open your dashboard, Wix dashboard. Now on the right side you will get to see this edit side. Just simply gonna click on this. Now wait for a few seconds, it will load your Wix editor. So this is my website, and in the left side you will get to see some tools and from where you can manage this website. Now in the left side you will get to see this option which is add app. Just simply click on this. Now in the market app, what you have to search for blog, and it will show some apps related to Wix blog. What you have to do is just simply click on the Wix blog. As you can see here, you can see overview of this app. So this is kind of good, I think. If you want to check a demo app, you can check as well. Now see reviews and just simply click on the add to site. It will take few seconds to add in our Wix studio editor. So just wait for a few seconds. Once you added this app into your Wix editor, it will take you to straight to your new blog page. As you can see here, we got our page. Now this is a basic. Now if you want to customize this, you can customize as well. For example, just double click on the post, so it will give you a second settings from where you can manage this all posts. So what you have to do, just see all of these things what shows on your post. You can check over here. If you want a writer name, you can just simply, if you don't want a writer name, just simply disable. It will disable the writer name. And if you want to disable the image only, you can just simply disable it. Now see publish and reading time. So if you want to remove the description, you can remove it. If you want to add category label, you can add that too over here. And if you want to remove more action menu, you can remove this 3 dots. Now rating counter and then comment counter, if you want to remove that. Like if you want to view remove how many people views this post, you can remove that too. So basically this is blog settings. Now if you scroll down, you will get to see some more setting where you can show blog menu. For example, if you don't want to show blog menu, you have to just simply disable it, so it will not show a blog menu. Now I want to be shown. Now if you want to be disable a category label, you can disable it. It will disable the category labels. Now if you don't want search box, you can disable that too. Now click on the social link. If you want to enable social sharing, you can do that. If you don't want to share your post on these media platforms, you can just simply disable this, so no one can share your post on these social medias. Now just let's talk about the layouts. Now the layouts, it's to edit the header plugin, go to settings. You have to go to settings to edit the header. Now if you go into the post layout, from here you can choose the layout how your all post will look like it will type like magazine type if you want. I choose magazine type. And then if you want to text, if you want your text to be aligned, what you have to do, just simply click on this, so it looks more good. Now let's go to layout setting where you can set card per row. For example, fit to screen, set post per row. You can do this if you want to set your post per row. Now I will choose fit to screen. So now if you want to increase your post size text, you can increase that too, as you can see here. So this is basically fun thing. Spacing between posts, you can give that too. As you can see here, I'm able to give a spacing between posts. Now if you want to give a text side padding, you can give that too. As you can see here, we can see changes on the text. So they have a lot of customization in layout. How should post load on your uh, feed? So it is infinite scroll, pagination till up to 100 pages. I will set infinity. Post per scroll, you can give, just simply add more, it will give you the result. So whenever someone scroll, the he can see 7 posts per scroll. Now if you go into design, go to navigation, you from here you can change the text and the color as well. For example, the text, if you want to set up a paragraph color with the red, you can set up as well. So this is what it will change. Now let's go back. Now click on the post, click on the heading. So you can change the heading, paragraph, and lots of other things. You can do that. Now if you go into create a category label, you can, this categories label is disabled right now, so you don't get the option. If you want to enable that, what you can do is just simply go to disable, and from there you can enable it. Now if you go into buttons, click on the text and give a color, and if you will see, the button would be in the red. So the post pages. Now let's see what we can customize on the uh, over here. To select the post, what you have to do is just simply double click again, and then it will, something will open this look like. Now what you have to do is block post. It will take you to this post feed. Double click on this again, so you can customize what you want. As you can see here, whenever I selected the text, uh, I'm able to change this setting. Just simply add a post, all post. Just remove this is a category where you can enable it. And let me go into post page. Now over here you will get to see, here you can add your text, you can change the post setting. So just simply click on it and click on the design. Now over here you can navigate to paragraph or text style. You can set text style to each text over here, as you can see here. Now so if you want to stretch this, you can stretch this post as well. Now just simply click on stretch, give the margin, and this is the margin. It will stretch this post in some point. Now you don't get lots of options over here to customize your page. What you can do is just simply add this display. Okay, click on this text, and over here you will get to see, you can select the style of this page and font. These are the headings. If you want to like display, and let's see, related to post, display post label, so you can customize lots of things over here. Now let's click on the manage page. From here you can manage your post. For example, right now we haven't created any post. What you have to do is just simply click on the create new post. It will give you the blank page where you can add your text, you can make your own blog post. So for example, I will add the title, how to add blog post in the Wix. So we have successfully created our blog post. As you can see here, if you want to add the image or video, you can embed from YouTube, or you can give a YouTube URL, or if you want to upload your own YouTube video, you can upload it. For example, what I will do, I will just simply again click on the video, search the YouTube, and select this video. Just for example, I don't have any intention to copy the video, just you can add this video. So you can create blog post, and after creating your blog post, just simply click on preview and you will get your post preview. So the page isn't available, so let's go back to editing. Now click on the save, because I haven't saved, and click preview again. So okay, uh, maybe there is an issue in it, so I have to sign up first to just read this article. But yeah, you can log in with over here, so there are lots of things to do. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can add and create and make categories of your post. So if you done with the publish, just the publish with your, now this is a social media platform, or you can create a campaign, just complete publish to social media. So yeah, you can promote your uh, published blog post. So we have successfully created a blog post, and so yeah, this is how you design, how you can make changes into templates. And that's it for today's video. This is how you can edit and design Wix blog pages. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.